Hey guys, Namaste. Welcome to our channel Expenia, where we hope for the education which is applicable and practical. So this is Factorization level 2, where we'll solve the indirect or different type of questions rather than basic level. So in level 1 we done the basic level, and if you do not understand the level 1 you will be unable to solve level 2. So make sure that you watch the video and you are perfect with it, then you can proceed to level 2. So in this video the first question will be 30x square minus 42x plus 12. So this is the first question. So here if you observe, there are A and C look larger, and the product of the two numbers will be quite large or complex, and splitting it in the form of splitting 42 will be bit difficult. It will be complex, more number of factors and everything. So to make it easy, we have a method. So as you all know, the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, okay, is equal to 0. So here if you observe, the numbers 30, 42 and 12 are divisible by 6, right? That means 6 is a common factor between them. So here what we take 6 as common. I was able to say it is the common 6 is a common factor because I'm familiar with tables. So make sure that you know tables, okay? So 6 5 is 30 minus 6 7 is 42 plus 6 2 is 12, right, is equal to 0. So 6 5 is 30. If you multiply 6 again, you will get the same answer. So this is a form. So when you take 6 to the RHS, so it becomes 5x square minus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0 by 6. So which is equal to 0, as I said you in the last video, 0 by anything is 0. So now we got the simplest form of the equation. So no more we cannot proceed this is the simplest form. So now it will be easy to solve, okay? 5x square minus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. So whenever you have these large numbers, then you try to simplify it and then solve. So if you have a doubt, when there are cases where we cannot simplify them, then I'll even make you to solve that type of question also, okay? So here we'll move on to the next page. 5x square minus 7x plus 2. 5x square minus 7x plus 2, right? So this is a given equation. So as you all know the normal method, so 5 2s are 10. 10 can be written as 2 5s are and 5 2s are and 1 10s are 10 1s are. So the factors which we have are plus or minus 2, plus or minus 5, plus or minus. So not just plus 2, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 10, right? So now so we have altogether 8 integers, right? So using these 8 integers, either we add them, we subtract them, whatever we do, we have to get minus 7x. So 5x square minus 2 and minus 5, okay, let me mark minus 2 and minus 5. So I did not plus 2 minus 2, I did not write it separately, I guess need not So plus 2 minus 2 is minus 7. See, minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. Minus 2x minus 5x is equal to minus 7. So we successfully splitted the middle term. So here we have two groups, as I have said you. Then, so what is common in both of them? X into 5x, sorry. X into 5x is 5x into 5x is 5x square minus 2. 2 into x is 2x. Here we have x 1 as common, right? So minus 1 as common. So minus 1 into 5x minus 5x minus minus plus. Okay, so 2 minus minus plus 2 ones are 2. We have got it. So we done this. After this we have x minus 1, 5x minus 2, right? Now x minus 1 is equal to 0. If you still have doubt why x minus 1 is equal to 0, then you need to watch my previous video, which is explanation. Okay, so x is equal to 1. All the doubts whatever you have, this is because I'm not explaining here you deeply, I'm just solving the question. If you want deep explanation and everything crystal clear, then you have to watch my previous video. So 5x is equal to 2, x is equal to 5 by 2, right? We got the answer. So these are the solutions. We have only two solutions. If we why we have two solutions? Because this is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation has two solutions because the order is 2. And the cubic equation will have three solutions because the order is 3. So the number of solutions will be equal to the order order of the solution equation. Okay, so got it. Now we'll go into the next question. So yeah, the next question will be 8x square minus 12x is equal to 0. Okay, what is the difference you find in the equation? So here we don't have c term. So if we don't have c term, that means it is 0. So 8x square minus 12x plus 0 is equal to 0, right? Now, so here if we multiply c with this one a, then we get 0. Then how to split it? So need not split it. We will normally take this one. Okay, now we'll check what is common in both of them. 2, right? 2 into 2 and as well as x also. 2x into 4x, right? So yeah, minus 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12 into x, 12x, right? Now here we don't have anything, so we'll put it 0 plus 0. Okay, so we have 2x plus 0 into 4x minus 6. Okay, right? We don't have anything here, right? Usually you would have something other one, right? The same thing we will have here, and here we'll have 0, but here we will have any number, but we don't have, so we'll put it as 0 and do the next step will be in this way. Now here 2x plus 0 is equal to 0, and from here we'll have the same procedure. So then 2x is equal to 0, right? X is equal to 0 by 2, which is equal to 0. Got it? Let me highlight it. Okay, got the I guess you understood. Now next, 4x minus 6 equal to 0. 4x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2, 6 by 4, and 2 2s are 4, 2 3 are 6, so which is equal to 3 by 2. So this question looks quite different. So here this is another solution, right? So let me repeat it again. So when you don't have the c term, normally you can take the common terms, and then you don't have c term, right? So 2x plus 0 and 4x minus 6. However, you will get the same thing here. So 4x minus 6 and 2x, you don't have anything here. So you did not understand. However, this will be the same number. Then what to take here? So you have to take 0, 2x plus 0 into 4x minus 6. Then after that you have the normal procedure. Okay. So next question. So the next question will be 16 plus 7x square is plus 0 is equal to 79. So here, what type of question is this? How to factorize this? Don't get so worried or tensed and get demotivated and leave this video, and don't do that kind of things. So here, this is a kind of indirect question. So however the question may be, the first target is to bring the question into the general form of quadratic equation. Okay. So here, the RHS must be always equal to 0. So here what do? Is we bring the 79 to LHS. So whatever the terms are there, not even in this question, in any question, whatever the terms are on RHS, bring them to the LHS. Okay. So 16 plus 7x square, so plus 0 is nothing, we'll put it aside, minus 79 is equal to 0. If we don't have anything, it's equal to 0, right? Now 7x square, so they just changed the places. They put 16 first, 7x square next, so you put it in the order. 7x square plus 16 minus 79, right, which is equal to 0. So plus 16 minus 79, so it's minus 63, right, which is equal to 0. Now this like the final thing is in the form of like which we done in the previous question, right? So what you have to do is you have to take the common number 7, right? X square minus what? 7 9 is 63, which is equal to 0. Minus 9 equal to 0 by 7, which is equal to 0, right? Later, now x square can be 9 can be written as 3 square, right, which is equal to 0. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? Identity. Now I'll go into the next page. Here we have x plus 3, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x plus 3 is equal to 0, then x will be equal to minus 3, x minus 3 is equal to 0, then x will be equal to 3. So therefore, the values of solutions of the quadratic equation is minus 3 comma 3. Got it? So x can be minus 3, x can be 3. So this is a way you need to solve. Okay. So the next question will be the next question is x square minus 20x plus 49 is equal to 0, obviously, right? So sorry, here it's not equal to 0, it's equal to minus 2, right? Here this is a question given, but in the general form RHS should be equal to 0. So if it should be equal to 0, whatever the constant terms are there on the RHS, we have to bring it to LHS, as I have already said you in the previous question. So x square minus 20x plus 49, so minus 49 also becomes plus 2, minus 2 also becomes plus 2, right? So x square minus 20x plus 49 plus 2, it's plus 51, which is equal to 0. So the next, so we have got the general equation, basic equation, simplest form of quadratic equation. So we have to multiply a with c. So a into c is 1 into 51, which is equal to 51. And the next step will be simply, splitting the middle term. So what are the factors of 51? It is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. 3 into 17 is 51, right? So now, so the factors of 51 will be plus or minus 3 plus or minus 17, and I guess here we'll get a solution. So minus 3 minus 17 is minus 20. So x square is equal to so x square minus 3 x minus 17x. So 17 plus 3 is 20 plus 51 is equal to 0. So we have done with it. Now to part 1 and part 2, right? Here x is common in part, if we consider this part 1, x is common in both of them. So x into x minus x into minus 3. So x square minus 3x, got it? Now here we have my minus 17 as common. Minus 17x minus 3. Minus 7 minus minus. So minus minus plus 17 into 3 is 51. So the 90% of it is done. So x minus 3, the next step is x minus 3 into x minus 17, right? So x is equal to 3, x is equal to 17, right? Got it? So this is also the another type of equation. So yeah, we are done, we are mostly done, almost done with level 2. So it's all about your practice now. Solve the questions so that you get more grip on the topic. Okay, we'll meet in level 3. So until then, if you feel the time and the content is worthy, then do like it and subscribe for more notifications. In the future we will make more videos for class 10, class 9, okay, max. We may even proceed to other subjects with your support. Then comment down in your opinion. If it's positive or negative, we are ready to accept it and take it in the positive way. So that's it for this video. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.